When researchers study imagination, they find that the brain uses the exact same neurons for your memory as it does for your future expectations. So, neurologically speaking, your future is treated like a memory you haven't lived yet. This is why expectations change behavior. Why somebody who is super confident and even overly optimistic usually does better in life versus someone who is overly pessimistic and lacking self confidence. Look at it in the sense that your identity is forecasting your future consequences because what you identify as, who you identify as, predicts your behavior. Your brain is literally choosing behaviors based on that forecast, based on that identity. This is why changing your future, changing your business is not about mantras or positive thinking or even willpower. It's actually about updating the brain's prediction, your identity. Nothing in the external world actually changes. It's just your brain choosing to select different behaviors once your identity shifts. It begins interpreting opportunities and events differently, which in return makes you behave differently, which in return causes different things to happen for you, different opportunities to come up for you. In behavioral science, it's called repatterning. So there's actually a term for this. The fact is, you have infinite possibilities for your future. And each one of those possibilities is attached to a different version of you that your brain can inhabit now. When you look at quantum mechanics, the future is never fixed. And this brings me to the tool that I wanted to discuss with you today that I mentioned earlier that if you only do 5 minutes a day, it is going to be the most effective way to change your pet business this year. And that is the power of visualization. This is a neurological event when you do it. And it comes with measurable consequences. The circuits in your brain do not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined, what is vividly seen in your mind's eye. All it does is respond to patterns, making it so that a vividly imagined future can predict your future. Think about it. How many times have you had this vivid, lifelike dream that you woke up screaming in the middle of the night from because it was so lifelike, although it really wasn't real? Or how about a movie? Have you ever sat in a movie theater and something scary or unexpected happens on the screen or goes boom and you flinch or you jump a foot high? It wasn't real, but your brain was responding to the visuals in front of it as if it was actually happening.